Okay, family. So that's my kiwi plant. It's looking pretty bad. It'll be better. But I gotta scoop that water out of there, y'all. So, and check on the greenhouse. Check on everything with all the high winds and the tornado warnings and everything. Y'all, I'm not feeling well. I'm really not. But I gotta get out here and check on what I do have at here, my babies. So I'm gonna fast forward the rest of this video. Y'all make sure y'all like the video, heart this video up, thumbs this video up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Please do. I just want me a little piece of land. Just a little piece of land. But let's jump on into this video, y'all. I know what I gotta do to the flower bed. That was in the intro. Let me check in here. And then I can go ahead and empty that water out of there until I figure out what I'm gonna do. Y'all gotta keep up for them too. I need to clean the tops off. But I'm just hoping they're going dormant. If not, y'all heard them deers. Some nights I come out here and I take my little stick. I should have showed y'all. Take my little stick and I knock the water in to feed the plants. That way I don't have to feed the plants. It's always deers out here. But we're going to kill most of the weeds behind the house for next year. But everything looks good. And it's nice in here. I don't know where the meter at, y'all. I just gotta come in here and check because it's a fast run. But it's always deers. Always. I'm gonna upload a video of some deers like 5 minutes from the house because they pretty much came and got a lot of our deers over the last 2-3 years for sure. They came and got a lot of our deers. But we still got a lot over here. And we love them. So, y'all seen that lightning? Okay. This is my stick I use, y'all. Little simple stick I be getting from Hobby Lobby. I don't even play with Walmart. And I just tap the water down. That's what feed my plants. And it keep the moisture down. Just barely tapping it. And when there's spiders, you just move it like that before you walk. Oh, y'all, if y'all could hear that wind blowing, it feels so good. I wish I had my hair down, y'all. Oh, let me put my damn hood on. Because I don't want all this shit from the trees flying. Look at that. Leaves just flying. Alright, let me move on. Wrap up this video. Alright, family. So I'm pretty sure y'all can hear the rain. It's dropping. And leaves flying everywhere. It's thundering and lightning. Let me move along, get this little water out of there because I don't want to break my plastic. I got to throw it out because I already have plenty of rainwater. I don't have anywhere else to store rainwater. And this is the cloths, the plastic cloths from Dollar Tree, y'all. I told y'all in the last video, them jobs were lit. Alright, let me finish this little bit off. Y'all see that lightning? I'm about to end this video. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, comment, leave your comments down below. And that's gonna be it, y'all. Y'all heard? I'm finna go on the storage and listen to my music, honey. To say, y'all, get y'all some chairs. I have chairs in the trunk of every vehicle. Every vehicle. At least 2 chairs in each vehicle, period. And then I have my little 4 that I put on the wall. Just a little nail and put the strap for the chair. See, just a little nail. You can't even see it. But it hold my chairs above my deep freeze. But, yeah. Y'all get y'all some chairs. Yes, I am not feeling too well, so send a thumbs up, a heart, or something in the comments for your girl. I am literally just sitting out here, just enjoying me. Some me time. Right? It's thundering, lightning, and everything in between. I'm learning how to love myself. Okay, family. So, I'm going to have to cut the light on. Because I'm going to have to close the door. This is a little light, little house light we been had here for years. It's gonna slow down again. You just go on and off like a switch. That earth feels so good, y'all. It make me feel like when I remember sitting on my grandmama's couch as a little bitty girl. As a little ghost. As a little bitty girl. And she had her windows open and her door open, letting all that good air in the house. I used to love it. It brings me a peace. This is my Santa Rosa plum in the front right here, y'all. Alright, y'all. Stay tuned. I'm just showing y'all what I do, what I need to be doing all the time, because it helps balance me. And y'all pray for your girl, because I really, really, really want to stop cigarettes. That's the causes of the bronchitis, the sinusitis. Well, that's what they call it, sinusitis. No. Anything dealing with sinus, anything dealing with your lungs. Goes. All right, y'all.